How to disable the Zedge notification. If you want to turn off or limit notification from Zedge, so here is how to do it on your iOS. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is look for the settings app on your iOS home screen and simply tap on it. Once in there, simply scroll down unless you see the notification option available in there, and all you have to do is tap on it. Once you tap on it, from the list of the apps, look for the Zedge and again tap on the Zedge app. Then again you tap on it. All you have to do is toggle off the switch of allow notification available in there. Once you toggle off the allow notification switch, this disables all banners, sounds and badges from Zedge. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.